Hi everyone. I've been getting a lot of question how a mobile phone can be hacked using a single application. Recently, I heard about an app that was not available neither on Play Store or Apple Store. This was story of one of my friend. He found an application in a suspicious website, and he told me to download that particular application and install it on my device too. But I denied his request to download and install that particular application on my device, and even I suggested him not to download that particular application into his device. But he denied my request and he downloaded that. But the later story I don't want to tell you. And so today I just wanted to demonstrate the same for you all. So before that, this video is for educational purpose only. Hacking is illegal. Without someone consent, you shouldn't never do such things. We are not responsible for any misuse, and this video is not meant to harm anyone or take revenge. We are not helping anyone to hack someone's device or system. This video is purely for educational purpose only. Alright then, let me start the demo. Now I will start generating a malicious app which will be sent to victim to so that we can get access to their mobile phone. Since this is a educational purpose video, so I will blur out all the commands which I am using. I have written the command, so now I will going to generate the malicious application. So it will take some time. See here, I have generated the application. So this application will be sent to a victim device. I got the application and now I'm going to install this particular application on my device. As you can see now, got installed on my device. Once the victim going to open this particular application, I will get the access to this device. So let me go to my laptop once again. So through my laptop, I can access to his system. So in order to get access to the victim device, so there are some commands. Let me type that commands. So it will take some time. Once the user or the victim going to open that particular application which I have sent via Telegram, so we will get that whole device connection or access to our this hacking device. I have already installed the application on my device. Now I'm going to open this particular device, a particular application. So I just open that particular application. As you can see here, we have got the connection on our hacking laptop. So let me go through different commands. Like if I want to get the which all the apps has been installed on the victim's device, let me type that and let me get all the app list. See, I've got different apps which are presently installed on the victim's device. So these are all the apps I can get access to also. I can get the exact location of that particular device. Once I type this command, I will get the location of that particular victim device. See, I got this location, that particular device. So I will blur it since I don't want to expose the location of the victim device. So there are other commands also which I am not going to use now. So you can see there are different. I can get SMS and I can send SMS contact details. I can take out all the SMS from the victim device to my device, to my hacking device. I can get access to webcam and different applications, screen shares, screenshots, and other things. And I can get the IP address of that particular device also, and a lot of other things that can be done using this tool. So that's why I always tell people never to download any apps from unknown links or suspicious website. This demo I have used Android 13. I had tried with Android 15 OS also, but it didn't work. Or it can be bypassed by disabling some of the security settings. That's why it always better to update your phone security patches whenever Google or Apple team releases them. So alright, that's it for the today. So thanks for watching this video with patience and stay safe. Don't fall for suspicious links. See you next one.